The flu situation in the United States is currently developing extremely complicatedly. The number of cases and deaths is increasing, forcing many schools in at least 10 states to close temporarily. This is a worrying issue, and we need to have effective preventive and supportive treatment measures. According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, since the beginning of 2024, there have been 24 million cases of influenza, 310,000 hospitalizations, and 13,000 deaths. The situation is particularly serious in children and the elderly. The flu spreads rapidly through the respiratory tract, causing symptoms such as high fever, cough, sore throat, headache, muscle pain, etc. It can lead to many dangerous complications such as pneumonia, respiratory failure, and even death. Welcome to the Nutrition Unlocked channel. In today's video, we will learn about a secret weapon that can help you deal with the uncomfortable flu, especially in the context of the current complicated epidemic situation. That is garlic, a familiar spice in every family's kitchen. In this video, we will explore the magical effects of garlic on influenza, from reputable scientific studies to the most effective tips for using garlic. Don't forget to follow until the end of the video so you don't miss important and useful information. First, let's learn about influenza. So what is the flu? Influenza is a respiratory infection caused by the influenza virus. There are three main types of influenza viruses: A, B, and C. Influenza A and B viruses are the cause of annual seasonal flu epidemics. In particular, the influenza virus has a high ability to mutate, causing them to change their structure and escape the human immune system. The influenza virus enters the body through the respiratory tract and damages the lining of the lungs. Common symptoms include high fever, 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, usually lasting 3 to 4 days. Signs of headache, muscle pain, and joint pain appear early and are severe. The feeling of fatigue and exhaustion lasts for many days after the fever subsides. Dry cough and sore throat often appear with fever. Runny nose and stuffy nose are less common than colds. In young children, there may be symptoms of nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and convulsions due to high fever. In the elderly, sometimes the flu does not cause a fever, but only manifests as fatigue, confusion, and disorientation. Most flu cases will recover in 7 to 10 days. However, the flu can also cause many complications such as bronchitis, otitis media, sinusitis. The most dangerous complications are pneumonia, respiratory failure, myocarditis, meningitis, encephalitis, and Reyes syndrome. These are the causes of high mortality. The influenza virus is mainly spread through the respiratory tract. Droplets, indirect contact through the air. Currently, there is no specific medicine to completely kill the influenza virus, but there are some supportive treatments such as antiviral drugs. Drugs such as oseltamivir, Tamiflu, zanamivir can reduce symptoms and duration of illness if used early. Symptom relief. Use paracetamol to reduce fever, rest, and replenish water. Treatment of complications. If there is bacterial pneumonia, antibiotics are needed. To prevent influenza, we can get the flu vaccine, maintain personal hygiene, boost immunity, and wear a mask. In addition to the above preventive and treatment measures, garlic has long been used as a natural remedy for many diseases, including influenza. Studies show that garlic can have the effect of strengthening the immune system and reducing mild flu symptoms. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, is said to have immune-boosting properties. Allicin does not exist readily in fresh garlic, but is formed when garlic is cut, crushed, or chewed due to the reaction of the enzyme allinase with allicin. According to a study by Roof et al. 2020 on the antiviral effect of garlic, the results show garlic and organosulfur compounds, OSCs, have strong antiviral activity against many viruses, including influenza virus, IAV-H1N1, IBV, IAV-H9N2, hepatitis virus, HAV, HBV, HCV, herpes virus, HSV1, HSV2, HCMV, SARS-CoV, MERS-CoV virus, HIV-1 virus. Allicin in garlic inhibits influenza A, H1N1, H9N2, preventing the virus from attaching to the host cell membrane. Inhibits the enzyme neuraminidase, which helps reduce the ability of the virus to replicate. The effect is equivalent to the antiviral drug oseltamivir, Tamiflu. To use garlic effectively, we should use fresh garlic, crushed or minced, then let it sit for 10, 15 minutes before eating. This process helps activate the enzyme allinase, converting allicin to allicin, which optimizes antibacterial and antiviral effects. You should not swallow whole garlic cloves because allicin is not activated enough. Eat raw garlic to preserve the activity of allicin because it is easily destroyed by heat. You can mix it with honey or lemon to reduce the pungent taste. In addition, you can use garlic soaked in honey or apple cider vinegar to help soothe the stomach, strengthen the immune system, support digestion, and control blood sugar. Fermented garlic, black garlic, is also a good choice because it contains more S-allylcysteine, which has a stronger antioxidant effect than fresh garlic. Here are some garlic recipes for health. Preventing colds and flu, boosting immunity. 1 crushed garlic clove and 1 tablespoon of honey. Eat in the morning on an empty stomach. Supporting the treatment of flu, cough, sore throat. 1 minced garlic clove, 1 slice of ginger and warm water. Drink 2 times a day. Protecting the heart, reducing cholesterol, 1 minced garlic clove and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Use with salad or bread. Controlling blood sugar, supporting diabetes. 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and warm water. Drink before breakfast. Regarding dosage, adults should use 2 to 4 fresh garlic cloves per day. Children, over 3 years old, should use 1 to 1 clove per day. However, it should be noted that you should not eat more than 5 to 6 cloves per day because it can cause stomach irritation. People with weak stomachs should use it with honey to reduce the effect. People who are taking anticoagulants should not use a lot of garlic. In summary, the flu is developing complicatedly in the US with an alarming number of cases and deaths. The disease can cause many serious complications if not treated promptly and properly. The use of garlic as a natural supportive treatment method has been scientifically proven to be effective, but it is important to use it correctly and in the appropriate dosage to achieve the best results. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and turn on the notification bell so you can watch new videos as soon as possible. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.